Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, please make sure to like and subscribe for the YT algo. It helps me out a lot and it would be greatly appreciated. Okay, so as someone who's read for years, I found that my quality of life was 1,000 times better when I would read compared to when I wouldn't. With that being said, I realized just how vital reading was to my personal development, my self-confidence, and last but not least, not only hearing but also understanding and comprehending subject matter. From a growth standpoint, I found a direct correlation into me wanting to change all aspects of my life in a positive way when I would read more. Whether it was getting better sleep, saving money, or even going to the gym, I found I implemented these things a lot more. I noticed that not only would I think about my future and my goals, I would take the necessary action to write them down in a journal to potentially manifest them. Because yes, I truly do believe in manifestation. I also believe that nothing will just fall into our laps. So it's up to you and I to take the necessary action to make sure we achieve everything we set out to be or do. Reading has also allowed me to extend my vocabulary and feel confident in situations or scenarios where I might have otherwise felt on edge. There's nothing worse than trying to hold a conversation with someone and forgetting what they said or just not being able to comprehend anything about the conversation. And just like physical exercise, our brain needs exercise as well. One of the most important things you can do is take care of your mental, because you could be in the best shape physically, but if you're not mentally there, then chances are you won't be very productive and you may just wake up feeling sluggish and never really trying to better yourself. Reading also provides different perspectives on different topics and allows you to get insights to people that have accomplished things that you want to accomplish. For instance, it has showed me how millionaires view money and assets, right? There is some truth to your home is not an asset if it is your primary residence. Now, if you have a home like an Airbnb or you're renting out a room, then yes, it's an asset because it's generating you money right then and there. I actually just finished reading a book and it has opened my eyes to the importance of understanding finances versus financial literacy. These two things are vastly different. That's just something I want to talk about in my next video. So if you haven't yet, please hit that like and subscribe button. Be greatly appreciated. Again, it helps me out a lot. It takes 2, maybe 3 seconds. But yes, it'd be much appreciated. And